Well, you've made it to week 3 of General Chemistry. I'm glad to see you again. Dr. Liz here, your guest lecturer. This week, we're tackling one of the most challenging, Chapter 4, which covers many of the aspects of chemical reactions, including how to recognize and classify them. I'm sure you have seen several chemical reactions already, even just today. For instance, have you used a car or public transportation to get somewhere? Combustion is hard at work, literally, to create the energy to power the vehicle that transported you from point A to point B. We'll look not only at combustion reactions this week, but we'll also look at which ionic substances will be soluble in water and which won't, and at the specifics of chemical reactions, the true heart of chemistry. Remember my talk about acetic acid last week? Well, we're going to look at acid-base neutralization reactions and the technique known as titration via volumetric analysis as well. Our lab this week covers volumetric analysis, which is a method used for determining the composition and concentration of a substance by precisely measuring the volume of a reacting substance. The amount of a substance present can be determined by finding the volume of a chemical required to react with it. The reaction's endpoint is usually signified by some kind of indicator, something that changes color, makes it very obvious, an indication to you. Be sure to first watch my introductory video, then follow your sample lab report, remember that's back in week 1, to properly complete the lab report. You have another 10-question multiple choice homework as well, and you have to pick 2 of the 3 discussions to make main posts by Sunday night. Did you know when lightning strikes, produces ozone and strengthens the ozone layer of the atmosphere? There's a chemical reaction for you. Have a great week. Bye-bye, everybody.